everyone, my name is Namit and today I wish to share my experience I had with AnalytixLabs Gurgaon. I have completed a Business Analytics 360 course from the Gurgaon branch, and I am really thankful to them for helping me secure a placement with a renowned Big Four here at Gurgaon. I had a really good experience studying here at AnalytixLabs. I feel the faculty is really well versed with the skills they are imparting their students. Also, the placement committee is also very helpful, and they had lined up a good amount of interviews with many companies here, and because of their proactive support and their proactive functioning, many students from my branch have been placed with many other companies, and the placement support team also extends its help to their former students also, and that is why I would recommend this place to anyone who is willing to step foot into the field of data science and data analytics. Thank you.